rather inactively of good people. Sir, please come on the stage and bless us with his words of wisdom.
और यहाँ जितने बच्चे मौजूद हैं, ढेरों सारा प्यार। Honorable Chief Guest, Professor P.K. Mishra साहब, Patron of this society, Sri S.P. Singh साहब, Technical Advisor, Professor C.D. Singh साहब, Director Professor Kushal, Program Coordinator Professor Bedwal, all the deans, dignitary of the dais, person from the media and the press. It is really a great pleasure to me to be here. I have visited 2 or 3 times to this institution. Every time I am finding some growth in the infrastructure, academic growth. This institution is coming and growing. So let us come to our business. This is the last day of induction program, a orientation program. So why to have orientation program? The real purpose of orientation program is to make our students orient themselves with the new environment, with the new goal of the life, with the new purpose of the life. My dear students, we used to call our student effect. आपने संस्कृत में कहावत पढ़ा होगा कि 15 वर्ष के बाद पुत्र और बच्चे मित्र हो जाते हैं. So you are now just like our friend. So up to this level, before coming to this institution, you were in the school life. So teaching at the school and teaching at the institution is completely different. You will get post at the school level, but you won't be getting coaching here at the institute level. The teaching at the institute level will be completely different. The role of the teacher is a facilitator. What you learn in the classroom, you will be learning many more things out of the classroom. And that you have enrolled for your technical education program. You are going to get your 4 years degree. That is the ticket. When I graduated, it was year 1988, and there was a film, Qiyamat se Qiyamat tak. And उस समय की जो सॉन्ग थी, पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा, कोई इंजीनियर का काम करेगा, मगर जाना कहाँ है ये नहीं पता. जो ठीक था उनका. So we all have that complexity in our life, complication in life. We are not going where we have to go. आप जीवन की इस मोड़ पर पाएंगे, and that too at the age of 17-18. मुझे जाना कहाँ है? There are many people who are advising you through the different platforms. आप ये बनो, कोई कहेगा फर्स्ट ईयर में पेरेंट्स कहेगा ये बिहार और यूपी का जो पार्ट है हिंदी हर ट्रैक का, कहेगा कि भैया IAS बनो. सारे पेरेंट्स का 90% तो वही सकता है. कोई कहेगा टेक्नोक्रेट बनो. अभी हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी जी का आत्मनिर्भर भारत. आप खुशकिस्मत हैं कि आपके पास एक ऐसे भाई चांसलर आए हैं who is the founder of the incubation center of IIT Delhi. और मैं उनकी जो इज्जत शुरू से उनके आने से पहले जो मेरे लिए निगाह थी, he is a man who is known for a creative and a ray of hope is now going to prevail in the Jharkhand, that ये culture last 3 years में पूरे झारखंड में हो जाएगा. तो आप सारे को भी एक ड्रीम होगा, why not to have an entrepreneurial culture. और उसमें भी you have taken an admission to Guru Gobind Singh Engineering College Society. और पंजाब सिख और मारवाड़ी तो कहा ही जाता है entrepreneurial culture को प्रमोट करने के लिए. So you have also enrolled to a society independence after 1949, after India. But where they are? Now they are leading the world. And why they are leading? They are not leading because they have the large geographical area and they have the large population. Now they are leading the world because they have the technical power. Now they have the power to innovate. They have the power to create something new. That's why they are leading. So the purpose of the technical education, whenever I used to go and I say my view, up to 20th century, when we were there today, it was defined by three H. Head, hand and heart. Head is, you are going to get a formal degree. You are going to get a degree to get a job. You are going to get a degree to just meet the pre-desired criteria. But the training of the heart is not given at the institution level. It is given by the parents. It is given at the school level. So the purpose of the technical education should be also a good coordination between mind and body. And the purpose of hand in technical education is to develop skills. You have to develop some skills to innovate, to survive in this world, to get a job. So you people are lucky, you are living in a 21st century era because your generation believes cut, copy and paste. Now you are connected to the entire world, you are connected to the entire university. So you are not getting only a content at institution level. In our era, the entire information and the content was available in the classroom or in the library. But here, you are going through the Massachusetts site, you have a very good content for the Harvard, you can enroll for the Coursera, NPTEL and SPAN. You have a certification apart from your formal degree. So hand means develop some skills during these 4 years. And the fourth age I have added in the 21st century. In the US also, they have already defined it. That 21st century should focus on the 4 age and the last age is your health. So the health, the curriculum should also take care of because your generation is mostly spending too much time on the screen. So that's why there is a problem related with stress, there is a problem related with life skill management, there is a problem related with relation management, there is a problem related with conflict management. So I am going to just give you some of the tips because our honorable chief guest is here, so I won't be taking too much time. So how to manage the life skills? Because your age is a very crucial age. You are at the stage of 17. Whenever you will be passing, it will be 21 or 22. So most critical period is that at this stage, easily you get distracted. There will be two types of conflict. This is the age where people fall in making a relationship. Is called मोहब्बत कि भूत इसी समय सबसे ज्यादा सवाल है और सबसे ज्यादा जो प्रेशर रहेगा कैरियर बनाने का इसी एज पे रहेगा. अब सोचो माइंड का दो पार्ट रहेगा. A conflict will start how to make a balance between the making a career and making a relationship. आप देखेंगे most of the time आप Facebook पर है, Instagram पर है, WhatsApp पर है, but this technology is a boon. At the same time, this also makes you distracted. It depends upon you. This technology, you cannot survive without this technology. But आप इसको use कीजिए to just take the content for your curriculum skill development. ये relationship तो हम बाद में भी बनाएंगे. हमारे parents are the best friend. Just I would like to say you, nobody will be the best friend like your parents. वो हो सकता है उनके पास formal degree नहीं हो, but whenever you need advice, parents से अच्छा best friend नहीं होगा. और life में The success also depends upon your competency and connectivity. So develop these skills and get connected with a positive attitude persons. So who will give you advice? A successful people. आप जानते हैं उसका सक्सेस बैकग्राउंड. You go through on the YouTube. You listen Jack Ma. You listen Sundar Pichai. You listen Bill Gates. You listen Kalam Sahab. At the same time, you can also take advice from a person who have failed in many business, because they will be also a good advisor. They will be giving you a tips. What are the way to getting fame? लेकिन जिसने लाइफ में कुछ किया ही नहीं है, हो सकता है वो अपने बीटेक में और 10th में 100% मार्क्स लाया हो. Getting a 100% marks is not the real purpose of a technical education. There is a basic difference between education and learning. आपने जीवन में कितना उतारा? How many times? Because the technical education is a project-based education. आज डॉक्टर्स क्यों अच्छा करता है? Because hospital is attached from the very first year. They are attached with the cases. और हम लोग क्या करते हैं? 4 years के बाद we want to know कि ये प्रोजेक्ट किया कैसे जाता है. But you people are lucky. You are surrounded by a lot of big industries and a small industry. So whenever you get time, you see the problems. You go and attach with the summer training. You try to solve a common man problem. मैं एक स्टोरी आपको याद दिलाऊंगा. I got a book because we have also established incubation center at PhD School. उसमें हार्वर्ड ने टॉप 20 यंग बिजनेसमैन का नाम लिस्ट किया था. तो एक राजस्थान के छोटे से प्राइवेट स्कूल के स्टूडेंट के स्टोरी में उसने कहा कि मैं खुशकिस्मत हूं कि मेरी एडमिशन आईआईटी में नहीं हुई. जब मेरी एडमिशन आईआईटी में नहीं हुई तो मैं बहुत निराश था. एनआईटी में भी नहीं हुआ. हर 5 में एक लोकल इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में नाम लिखा. बाद में पता चला यही मेरे लिए अपॉर्चुनिटी बन गया. बहुत सारा प्रेशर नहीं था करिकुलम का. और 3-4 दोस्त थे जो छोटे-छोटे बैकग्राउंड से. एक मेरा जो दोस्त था उसके पिताजी लोहार थे. एक मेरा जो दोस्त था बढ़ी था. और तीनों मिलकर हम लोगों ने बनाना शुरू किया. उसने इनोवेट किया चल मेरे जूते. And that team developed a shoe for the blind person. Right? वो बेस्ट आपका innovation में that was listed by the Harvard. So simply getting a degree through the IITs or getting a degree through the NITs or big, yes, वो माहौल बताता है. IIT और NIT टीचर्स के लिए नहीं जाना जाता. 20 to 30% रोल होता है. वो जाना जाता है बेस्ट ब्रेन ऑफ द कंट्री वहीं करता है. वो जाना जाता है अपने पीयर ग्रुप से. जो भी उस कैंपस में आता है दे आर बिग ड्रीमर्स. सब लोग एक अच्छे सपने लेके आते हैं और उस सपने को साकार करते हैं. एक अच्छा संस्थान है, एवरेज संस्थान में ये अंतर है कि मैंने तो बताया ना कि इस एज में जो डिस्ट्रैक्शन होती है रिश्ते बनाने में, उसमें बनाने में, वो डिस्ट्रैक्शन बहुत कम होता है. उसका ब्रेन, द पर्पस ऑफ दैट हायर एजुकेशन इज टू मेक योर थिंकिंग लॉजिकल. जैसे आज एक रिलेशनशिप में आप फेल हो गए कि आज मेरा दोस्त हमको चीट कर दिया. अरे एक दोस्त चीट किया तो 99 दोस्त है, फिर हम दूसरे से बनाएंगे. सक्सेस का एक ये भी डिफिनेशन है, ए बाउंस बैक एबिलिटी. हाउ मेनी टाइम्स यू आर फॉलिंग बैक और हाउ मेनी टाइम्स यू आर कमिंग अप. कितने बार आप गिरते हैं और कितने बार गिर उठते हैं, ये आपकी सफलता की पहचान है. नेवर गिव अप इन द लाइफ. कभी भी हार मत मानिए. जब तक हेल्थ ठीक है, कोई भी हार और ठीक. लास्ट में कुछ टिप्स दूंगा. 2-3 चीज आपको परेशान करेगी. एक परेशान करती है आलोचना, क्रिटिसिज्म, लाइफ स्किल मैनेजमेंट. अरे वो मेरी शिकायत करती है. सबसे ज्यादा शिकायत किनकी होती है मालूम है? जो टॉप पोजीशन पर लोग बैठे हैं. सबसे ज्यादा शिकायत हमारी